depths of darkness, where life seems lost, the night is never the end. It is the prologue to hope. In this valley of dryness, countless bones lie silently, telling stories of what once was. Yet, a beam of light pierces the darkness, guiding us toward boundless possibilities. Listen.
The wind carries a prophecy. O ye dry bones, hear the word of the Lord. This voice, like thunder, shakes the heavens and the earth. Amid the bones, a miraculous light dances. Bone connects to bone, sinews form, flesh covers, and life begins to take shape. But true life has not yet come. The Lord declares, "Come from the four winds, O breath, and breathe upon these slain, that they may live." In an instant, the wind stirs the dust, and breath flows like waves, filling the lifeless forms. The bones rise and stand, a vast and mighty army. This vision is not merely a miracle but a prophecy. These dry bones symbolize forgotten hope. The Lord proclaims, "I will open your graves and bring you up from them. I will bring you into the land of promise." This is the vision of revival, the anthem of life. Let us remember, no matter how deep the despair, the breath of the Lord brings new life.